Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to close your Clickbank account. What you need to do, first just go to Clickbank and log in your account, and then click here account settings, and then click edit, and then here close account. And here you give a reason why do you want to close the account. Please take a moment to let us know why you are closing your account. Then just click one of them, or then if you have other, and after that click close account. This is what you need to do if you want to close your Clickbank account. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscribed yet. Thank you and see you.